Hey everybody, it's Danny here doing reviews, and if you're still struggling with those manual protractors or trying to guess those bevel cuts, you need to see this. This little gadget is a total game changer for anyone doing woodworking, carpentry, or even just hanging a shelf around the house. This is the Proster Digital Angle Finder, and it's packed with features that make it precise and much easier when it comes to precision cuts. Most often it has a built-in green laser light on both sides, so you're gonna have a green laser light come out on each side. We can turn it on. This is also going to be rechargeable, so you can see here, turn it around. It does have a door here that would be USB-C rechargeable because this is IP54 waterproof, so it's going to be great on those job sites. But this thing here is going to have those built-in green lasers on each side, and it's going to be able to make reference lines and marking up to 6 meters a whole lot easier. You do get a 4-sided magnet base, so every side is magnetic, so it can stick onto those saw blades or any metal surface. And you can see here on its display, it has a nice, really clear LED display. And every time I pick it up, it will say error because it's not level, but if I do put it on the table, you will see here that we can probably zero out and we can get that level. This will work up to accuracy of 0.1 to 0.2 in degrees, which is pretty cool, so very accurate. Whether you are a pro or a weekend DIYer, this tool saves so much time and frustration. I can't recommend this enough. If you want to take out that guesswork out of those projects, then I highly recommend picking up this Proster Digital Angle Finder.